Boo! Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making mummy hot dogs in the air fryer. If you haven't already, consider liking and subscribing to see new delicious recipes. Let's begin. We have here some hot dogs and we have crescent dough sheets. Let's open it up. As you can see, there's an arrow. Let's apply some pressure on the line. It should pop open. Let's roll it out. What we're going to do is cut it into strips. Just like that. Actually, you know what? We're going to use a pizza cutter. There we go. For this video, we're just going to be showing you 3, and let's open it up. And you can wrap it any way you like. You can get creative with this part. There you go. This is one. There we go. We have the third one. And we'll save the rest for me to make later. Okay, so we have the hot dogs here. We have here 2 tablespoons of melted butter. We're going to add half tablespoon of garlic powder. There we go. Stir it up. Make sure it's nice and even. There you go. Next thing what we're going to do is take the garlic butter, just apply it onto the hot dogs. Turn it over, do the same thing. There we go. I'm going to turn them back over. Okay, this is what it looks like before we put it in. Now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to preheat the air fryer at 300 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated. Let's put in the hot dogs. Spray some olive oil in there. Go. Now let's put in the mummy dogs. Make sure they're spaced out. Okay, let's put it in. We're gonna set it to 10 minutes at 300 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes at 300 degrees. Let's take them out. Look at that, looking great. Okay, let's take it out. Go, last one. Okay, now let's decorate it and make it look like mummies. Okay, so we're gonna need some ketchup. Okay, we have here a freezer bag. The freezer bag right here is attached, so we're just gonna fill it like this. And we're going to be using one of the corners to decorate the hot dog mummies. And we're going to put some ketchup into the corner of the bag. Should be good enough. And just push the ketchup to the corner of the bag. Push the ketchup to the corner of the bag. And then we're just going to cut the tip of that and start making the eyes and the mouth. There we go. Okay, let's make the eyes. That. There we go. Eyes. Now let's make the mouth. There we go. There we go. Okay, this is what we have today. Mummy hot dogs made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. Thanks for watching.